Welcome to Car Tech Unlocked. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Toyota GR Supra. At the front, the 2026 Supra stares down the road with predatory focus. A reshaped front bumper now channels air more efficiently, improving cooling and front-end downforce. The LED headlights have been updated with tri-blade DRLs, while the new hood vents help regulate engine heat under sustained track sessions. It's not just about looks, this face was born for speed. The rear design is sculpted for stability and aggression. A functional carbon fiber lip spoiler sits atop the trunk, while the diffuser has been widened and deepened for better underbody airflow. The signature full-width LED taillight bar adds a futuristic edge, and the dual exhaust system now roars with a tuned deeper tone, thanks to a re-engineered muffler design. From the side, the 2026 Supra retains its muscular stance but evolves with flared fenders and sharper character lines. Lightweight 19-inch forged alloys reduce unsprung mass, improving both ride and responsiveness. Carbon mirror caps and an extended side skirt complete the Aero package, giving the Supra a lower, wider, and meaner stance. Step inside, and the cockpit of the 2026 Supra wraps around you like a race suit. The digital cluster now features an adaptive track mode, while the three-spoke steering wheel is both classic in shape and futuristic in function. Red stitching contrasts the black Alcantara dash, and magnesium paddle shifters allow razor-fast gear changes with just a flick. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a retuned 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 now producing 405 horsepower. Paired with a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or an intelligent 8-speed auto, the 2026 Supra puts down more usable power with less turbo lag. A factory strut brace increases chassis rigidity, making this the most balanced Supra yet. The forged alloy wheels are not just for looks. Behind them, red GR branded calipers bite down on ventilated discs, ensuring fade-free braking even after 10 hot laps. The Michelin Pilot Sport tires have been tuned specifically for this chassis, offering track-ready grip with street comfort. The iconic double-bubble roof remains, a nod to classic Le Mans cars and a functional aerodynamic element. Now constructed from exposed carbon fiber, it reduces weight up high while lowering drag. The shark fin antenna and gentle roof curve ensure a smooth path for airflow to the rear spoiler. As night falls, the Supra shows its theatrical side. Headlights animate outward in a sweeping motion, followed by the ignition pulse of the LED taillight bar. Inside, ambient lighting reacts to drive mode, glowing red in sport and cool blue in comfort. Its tech meets emotion. Viewed from every angle, the 2026 Toyota Supra is a modern classic, refined yet raw. With sharper dynamics, more power, and enhanced presence, it continues the Supra legacy without compromise. This is no longer a comeback story, it's dominance reborn.